Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably talk about my support desk, my service desk, my Jira service management portal. So I do receive a lot of tickets, which is great. And for the past few weeks, I was a bit occupied. I was a bit busy, and I was definitely looking at your tickets because I do get a notification. I also receive an email, but I was not massively responsive. So sincerely, I sincerely want to apologize for not being responsive. The only request I have for you guys is to basically give me as much information as you can. For example, if you're asking me a question, then please specify whether you are trying to solve this problem on server or cloud. If you're trying to let us say ask me for app recommendation, then please mention that whether you are looking for this app recommendation on server version of Jira or Confluence or Bitbucket or whether you are on cloud. Because because if you make it easy for me to respond to you, I will respond to you straight away. And I do use a Jira app. I think you should definitely use a Jira mobile app. So I can definitely reply to you easily from my mobile phone. Maybe I'm I'm just walking in the park, or maybe if I'm traveling, and I always have my mobile with me. And in most cases, it is just a matter of me replying to your ticket by giving you some directions. And majority of you are, I think, looking for some directions, not really a proper full solution. But at the same time, I also want to say that I do provide Atlassian services. Sometimes people ask me uh, to to basically talk to them. Uh, for example, in the last few weeks, I think I received 5 requests from people who wanted to talk to me, who wanted half an hour or 1 hour of my time. To be honest, it's. I mean, I would love to talk to you guys, but to be honest, I don't really have time to talk to anyone apart from my clients because I'm quite busy. I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I do my work till I think right now the time is 8 o'clock. So I just finished my work, and I'm sure you can imagine that I am definitely very busy. So it is not always possible or feasible for me uh, to basically do a one-to-one consultation, although I would love to. And I definitely want to apologize that I'm so sorry. It is a bit difficult for me to do free consultation. But of course, if you're looking for paid consultation, you can go to my website sparksys.com, or you can just message me that yes, I'm looking for paid consultation, because I receive a lot of tickets from people where they expect that I will give them a proper full working solution, which I mean uh, I would love to, and to be honest, whenever applicable, I do give them a solution as well. I might have a script already, or I might have a video, or I might have some ideas that I can share straight away. But at the same time, if you are asking me a question, uh, try to be specific. Try to give me as much details as you can, but be specific about your requirements so that I can definitely help you. And I think in majority of cases, I already have some kind of a solution that I can definitely give you. But replying to your question, replying to your tickets uh, can require maybe 10 seconds of my time, or it can require maybe half an hour of my time. For example, if you're sending me a script which is not working, then it is okay to send me a script, and maybe whenever I get a chance to run it, I'll try to run it. But the problem is that when you send me a script, uh, in your script you may have some custom field IDs, or you may have some things that are not really relevant to my Jira or any other Jira instance except yours. So I won't be able to run it straight away. But apart from sending your script, also send your requirements and also send the the error message, so that when I'm looking at your script, and I also look at the error message, I can straight away tell you that yes, what is wrong with your script. So that is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. That uh, please be specific about your questions so that I can help you easily. And again, so sorry, apologies for not being super responsive to your tickets in the last few weeks. I will definitely reply to you. If you're watching this video and if you think I am ignoring you, I'm not. I'm not ignoring you. I'm just too busy these days to do anything else. But I'm still making these daily videos because these daily videos are very easy for me to make. So that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about and share with you today. Bye bye.